Tuberculosis, the need for new drugs. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention USA, 1/3 of the world population is infected with TB. In 2011 alone, around 1.4 million TB-related deaths occurred worldwide. Even though TB is curable, it takes at least 6 to 9 months on an average to get treated. This lengthy regimen is tiresome and leads to patient non-compliance.
The doctor's
primary focus should be on increasing the compliance of drugs. Also, the DOT centers, the DOT providers should be under tighter scrutiny. So we don't know if the patient is actually taking all of those drugs, or maybe those patients are selling, somebody is just giving them like that, somebody is not taking, we don't know. The thing is, they have to take that whole strip of drugs for the week and they have to return the empty strip. That is how they see if the drug is being taken. They should at least take one dose in front of them, which is according to the DOTS program.
Even though TB is curable, it takes at least 6 to 9 months on an average to get treated. This lengthy regimen is tiresome and leads to patient non-compliance. Patient non-compliance is a major contributor to the rise in TB drug resistance cases. The current line of drugs are slowly losing their edge. These few reports are a shocking reminder about this, and we cannot rest until this issue is tackled.
The doctor says
Practitioners also prescribe drugs inadvertently without any particular need for it. Sometimes they don't even do sputum-based examination or anything. And sometimes even if patient seems MDR, or I have seen many cases who were DST, drug sensitivity tests showed that they were MDR, they were still given first-line drugs.
At the end of the day, everything is for the patient's benefit. They say,
आज ही घर चले जाएं, हम तो यही चाहते हैं आज ही घर चले जाएं, हम तो कुछ बता नहीं सकते,
कमी होगी तो नहीं छुट्टी कर रहे हैं,
अपनी मर्जी से तो कभी कह नहीं सकते मैं आज ही घर भेज दूँ शाम तक। अब वो 1 महीने रखेगा, 1 महीने रहेंगे, 4 महीने बोलेगा, 4 महीने रहेंगे, हम तो चाहते हैं मैं आज शाम तक।
the current TB drugs have major side effects such as skin rashes, deafness, dizziness and lack of balance, jaundice, repeated vomiting and difficulty with vision. The only way to tackle these side effects for the patient is to withdraw the TB drugs. Fighting TB is a joint responsibility of the patients, doctors as well as scientists all over the world. We must join hands to accelerate our endeavors towards TB drug discovery to help secure a better tomorrow, a world free of tuberculosis. On an average, a drug takes a good 20 years to come to the market. At the current rate of growing drug resistance, we should have taken action at least a decade back. The process of drug discovery is complicated, laborious, and mostly does not guarantee complete success. It starts with the process of students in universities, research laboratories, goes up to pharmaceutical companies, and ends with broad-based clinical trials which need to be approved by the government.
Let's join hands and make the world free